Most respected parents, teachers, students and my dear friends, wish you all a very happy new year. Two things I ask of you. Remove far from me the falsehood and lying. Give me neither poverty nor riches. Feed me with the food that I need, or I shall be full and deny you. Or I shall be poor and steal and profane the name of the God. These are the verses taken from the Bible, a book named Proverbs chapter 30 verses 8. My dear friends, New Year. Why we call it as New Year? Is that newness is happening, the change is happening only in the calendar? In my childhood, we used to burn the old statue of a man in order to show that the old is burned and the new things are coming up. There is a change in the ways and means of the people. That's what we were taught and we were doing in the olden days. And the corona, which has taught us really that the life is like a bubble in the water. We come with empty-handed and we have to go back with empty hand. So my dear friends, in this new year, let us make something new, some changes in our life. Let me tell you one incident which has happened 2 months back. I was in need of some certificate which has to be signed from a government officer. I prepared all the file, documents were ready, submitted in that office. In actual basis, it will take only one week to verify the documents and give me the certificate. But my dear friends, surprisingly, they took 5 or 6 months and also made me to walk up and down near about 8 or 9 times. I am not exaggerating, dear friends. Actually, they were in need of money. They know that I am a sister and it is very difficult for them to ask a bribe from me. So they made all the means and ways to make me understand that they are not in need of the documents, but they are in need of money. While I was narrating this incident, you also might have thought that they are corrupted people and the government offices are like that. They need always the bribe. Let me ask you one question. Are you an honest person at your family, at your workplace, at your business, at your field, at your office, at your school? Yes, we lose the best quality of truthfulness and righteousness for the silly matters and acquire name, fame and wealth by different means of corruption and malpractices. Dear students, when you copy at the examination center, when a teacher do some favorism, some partiality while checking the examination copies, when a farmer put dangerous pesticides in his field in order to get good crop, when a mother gives always junk food to her children, when a father is a drunkard and not taking care of his family, we all are doing some types of malpractices, some types of corruption in our life. So, in order to make our family, our country, a better place to live in, let us take a pledge to be honest, to be faithful, to be righteous in our life. So, let us make this year new by bringing some newness, some changes in our life. Once again, wish you all a very happy new year.